Hello, this is T-Mike, and today I'm making a video on how to test a thermostat on a Johnson 1968 9.5 horsepower MQ-14. If you're not sure if your thermostat is working properly or not, I'm about to show you the quick and simple way to check it. So if you're ready, here we go. Alright, so what you're going to need to test this thermostat is a pot of water on a stove, alright, thermostat of course, a coat hanger to hang the thermostat, and a power meter to test the water, temperature of the water. So these thermostats have a core on them that heats up, and at 165 degrees it pushes that spring up, and this top piece moves up and allows the water to flow. So what we're going to do, we're going to heat up the water. And we're going to test the temperature of the water, which is 69 degrees right now. And we're going to hang the thermostat on this coat hanger, and when the water gets to 165 degrees, we're going to drop it in and see if it opens up. So we're going to stand by for 165 degrees. Alright, we're getting there. 117, 118, 119. We're getting close. What we're going to do, we get to about 160. I'm going to drop the thermostat in there. And if T-Mike knows what he's talking about, we'll be able to watch that thermostat open up. So stand by. Alright, we're fast approaching 160. And 150. Getting closer to 160. Alright, 160. I'm going to drop her in, and hopefully I'll see that thermostat open up. Seeing it open? There it goes. Opened up. See the thermostat opened up? Watch it close as it cools off. See it closing? So it's shut off. Drop it back in the heated water, and it pops right open. See it opening up? So that's how the water flows through your engine block. When the engine heats up and heats the water running through it to 165, it opens the thermostat and allows water to flow. So that keeps the engine running at about 165. If you shoot the cylinders, keeps that engine, maintains the heat in that engine at 165 degrees. You can see it shutting off. Open it up one more time. There it goes. Alright, that's how to test your thermostats on your 1968 Johnson 9.5 MQ-14. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mics, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mics Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.